Hey fellow crypto enthusiast, welcome to today's quick trend analysis. Let's get started. Today, find out how the price of Ripple has changed and what the technical indicators SMA, divergence, stochastic RSI and MACD show. If you are unfamiliar with the indicators, check out the explanation videos below. If we look at the hourly time frame for Ripple, the price went up only slightly with around 0.8% in the last 24 hours, with a current price of 34.5 cents. Jumping to the hourly simple moving averages, the price broke the 50 SMA to the upside. It's a strong signal that there has been a higher than average volume. At the moment, the price is between the 50 and the 100 SMA. If the price bounces off the 50 SMA, which is currently at 33.9 cents, it could be seen as a support, and the 100 SMA that is at 35.6 cents could be perceived as a resistance to the upside. If there were to be a break either way, it means that there could be a continuous move in that direction. On the lookout for divergences in the hourly time frame, there was a bullish divergence and the price already went up. Looking at the hourly stochastic RSI, both the %K and %D lines are currently very high, which means that the price is overbought and a trend change or at least consolidation for some time is to be expected. The K line is below the D line, which means that there has been a downward shift in the trend. Moving to the hourly MACD, the MACD line is above the signal line, which shows that the current trend is on the upside. The MACD histogram shows that the momentum is currently strong and it could be expected the price to go further to the upside. Looking at the 3-hourly simple moving averages, the price has crossed the 50 SMA downwards, but it's not a very strong signal that the volume hasn't been very high. At the moment, the price is between the 20 and the 50 SMA. If the price bounces off the 20 SMA, which is currently at 34.3 cents, it could be seen as a support, and the 50 SMA that is at 36.2 cents could be perceived as a resistance to the upside. If there were to be a break either way, it means that there could be a continuous move in that direction. Jumping to the 3-hourly stochastic RSI, both the %K and %D lines are currently very high, which means that the price is overbought and a trend change or at least consolidation for some time is to be expected. Despite this, the K line has yet to cross the D line, so patience should be exercised until you see if the trend will in fact go down. Looking at the 3-hourly MACD, seeing as the MACD line is above the signal line, meaning that the trend is currently on the up. Looking at the MACD histogram, we can see that the momentum is strong at the moment and we can expect the price to continue growing or maybe at least remaining the same for some time. Looking at the daily simple moving averages, the current price is below all simple moving averages for this time interval, which looks bearish, and it is to watch if the closest SMA, the 50 SMA, will play as resistance or the price will break it to the upside above the current price of around 35.6 cents. Jumping to the daily stochastic RSI, both the %K and %D lines are in the lower region, which means that the price is getting oversold and soon a trend change or at least some kind of consolidation could be expected. You should wait to see if there will be an upward trend to the crypto because the K line has not yet crossed the D line. Moving to the daily MACD, the trend is currently going down because the MACD line is below the signal line. The MACD histogram shows that the momentum is currently strong and it could be expected the price to go further to the downside. Generally, the bigger time frames have a bigger impact on the price, so please keep that in mind when we show different time frames showing contrasting indicators. Also, the shorter time frames are only representative for the short-term trading. Thanks for watching. New videos are uploaded every few hours analyzing various cryptocurrencies, so be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out. If there is something that you didn't understand, leave us a comment below and we'll get back to you. You should know that trading with cryptocurrencies is very risky, and these videos are only an overview of what happens with the price and a pure technical analysis without considering the fundamentals. So you should read more and make your own investing decisions. See you next time.